how to fix AirPods Pro not connecting to iPhone. So if you are having this problem, then we are here with some troubleshooting steps to help get them connected. Firstly, ensure that your Bluetooth is on. You can also swipe down to the control center and confirm that the Bluetooth icon is active. After that, simply forget and reconnect your AirPods Pro. Go to the settings Bluetooth and tap the eye icon next to your AirPods Pro and select forget this device and confirm. Place your AirPods Pro in the case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds and open the lid again. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the LED light flashes white, then reconnect them by holding them near your iPhone and following the prompts. Also, make sure both your AirPods Pro and iPhone have sufficient charge. Low battery can interfere with connections. Put your AirPods in the case and ensure the case is charged as well. If none of this work, then power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, then power it back on. After restarting, try connecting to your AirPods Pro again. So if none of these above steps work, the issue might be hardware related, so simply contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.